Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix your game requires system restart on League of Legends. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager. Make sure on look for Riot Client on processes. Make sure no Riot Client tasks is running here. League of Legends as well. Then you just need to go to Services, and then here delete the Riot, and then you just need to write VGC and make sure VGC is running. So right click on it. Open in Services, and then click on the tasks here and press right click Properties. Make sure Startup App is automatic and service status is running, and look if after that if the problem persists or not. Then what you need to do here is to go to System Configuration and then click on the Services, hide all Microsoft services, and then look if VGC is running. And if it's not running, tick on and restart your computer and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to Installed Apps, then go to Apps, look here for a Vanguard, press on the three dots and then install, right? Wait until it finishes, and then after uninstall is done, you just need to basically run Riot Client. And we just need to again wait a couple of seconds until Riot Client will run. And then you just need to press on the Valorant or League of Legends, it really doesn't matter. And then you just need to press update to reinstall Vanguard. And after Vanguard is reinstalled, you just need to open up Task Manager. Again, go to Startup Apps, make sure VG Tray is enabled here on status. Then do the same, you just need to go to Services, VGC, make sure it's not manual but automatic and start. And then also apply the changes and go to System Configuration and make sure that services also here VGC is ticked. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.